Welcome everyone to my video on Cardano price analysis and technical details of 9th of May 2023. We're looking for discovering more about the price action, prediction, and details of the space. Currently, we're suffering from a decrease over the last 24 hours on the whole crypto market cap. It is actually quite of a period that represents the domination of an environment which is downtrending, especially for Cardano, that for the last 7 days is down by 6%. If you would like to compare the Ethereum situation, which is on plus, it is plus 0.36%, that's quite of a big difference. Meanwhile, you don't have basically the traditional reaction on the Ethereum side. Looking at the alts, you got the XRP, Binance Coin, Dogecoin, Polygon, and then the last one from the top 10, which is Solana. All of these guys have been losing momentum in the past 7 days, excluding Ethereum. Talking about the charts and the whole space movement, we would like to share with you, before we get into that, our ChatGPT bot trading or Bitcoin trading bot. For those of you which are interested to discover more about it, make sure to check out our main YouTube channel, including the trading report of the bot with the weekly performance listed here, as well the 2 options in the way it's functioning, and you can participate if you think this is something interesting to you. There is no prior fee, only commission from performance, which is paid by you basically based on what we achieve in terms of trading. It's all performed outsourced with API permission, and it's quite simple. I'll talk about it at the end. Now, what's happening on the chart side is something that you guys care about. We're looking at the 1-hour candlesticks for Cardano, and we clearly see that we have been suffering since April. This is the overall perspective towards Cardano's price action. We had the head and shoulder, and then at the top you have the head from where everything starts basically downwards. Actually, there is a 23 days with minus 23%, which is not that of a big deal considering we have been increasing big time. A normal retracement is double digits, and usually Cardano, XRP, Polygon, these cryptocurrencies are suffering at least 15% decrease on corrections. So that's something expectable. Now, what's happening here is a necessity to be held by the demand level. This demand level represents support and sits around 35-36 cents, around that level. On top of that, we have the 1.272 Fibonacci, the green line, this one, that is horizontally speaking, and a trending indicator that showcases the ability of a trending support line that comes from major structures, and it's having force. Now, the only issue here is that the whole movement is forming a downtrending environment. So usually what we get to see here is quite an aggressive reaction at the time we have a confirmation of the bulls in terms of dominance. We get to see a very strong reaction in the opposite direction. The opposite direction, which means breaking above this resistance structure, creating a breakout of a system, generating a new trading character, and moving above the levels that are keeping us right now under selling pressure. Therefore, it is all going to be confirmed by a retest of the breakout, which will push us towards the golden pocket ratio, somewhere around 40 up to 41 cents. That's where you have to expect basically the markets as soon as Cardano makes the first move. So that is from the bottom of yesterday, it is 16%. This is a normal bouncing in the market, which is basically healthy as well for the liquidity, although there is tons of liquidity above this structure, right? That's a top right there. Located at 40 cents, so above 40 cents there is tons of liquidity, which for sure is going to be grabbed. By the way, there is tons of liquidity at 43, 43.5, so that is great to consider. This is pretty much all on Cardano for today. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. At the same time, if you would like to participate in the bot trading with AI, whether we talk about BTC or Ethereum, there's videos explaining how it works. You can qualify for a free conversation with me. As well, you can complete a form to participate and find out more, or simply contact me on my email. We have basically all the explanations in the description area and comments area. You have all the links that are official. Check those out and you will be able to find out more. Over the next few minutes, I'd like to talk about a private one-on-one coaching for those of you that would like to become traders or they are interested in education. At the same time, if you would like to change the results of your performance, if you want to do day trading, swing trading, position trading as a full-time or part-time trader, I do have a one-on-one coaching directly with me where I'll take you by hand between 4 to 6 weeks and teach you in an intensive way how to do the whole process. This is starting from the fundamentals of the mindset mentality going towards the technical analysis, where the idea is to understand the language of the market and react to that language accordingly. It's quite simple. If you know what does the market tells you, you know how to react to that. It is a message. It tells you this is where I'd like to go. This is where I have total domination, which is why you need to uncrypt the language of the market perfectly in order to act correctly. Like if you're not correct in trading, if you're not accurate, you're not going to make money on the long term. Now, live trades are also part of the process. Day trades, swing trades, technicals, homework. I'm sharing with you my screen. I'm taking you through the whole process. If you want to be on a call for this one as well, just register now and you can qualify for a free conversation if you think it's interesting. You can read more about it and discover more. Have a good time, guys. Subscribe and we'll talk to you soon.